Welcome back, HARBROs, to the HARBRO channel. Quality videos, lowest prices. And today we have two things. We have the weekend deal, and we have save big and get organized through January 11th. Suspicious. If you find this helpful or useful, please consider liking and/or subscribing and hyping for those that I forgot to mention it to. I appreciate it so much. Let's grow the channel for the HARBROs. Let's jump in. First, we'll do the weekend deal. Starting January 9th, let's zoom in a little bit. And we have free gift with any purchase. Choose one of three items: 4-pack, 12-inch by 12-inch microfiber cleaning cloths, which is an absolute must. This is free. Free with any purchase. So this is looking like it's a non-ITC free gift. Normally that's what it is if it's with any purchase. Normally if they're promoting ITC and super coupon, that super coupon will have like a $20, $30 limit. But this is saying with any purchase. So receive a free gift. Choose from the 4-pack 12 by 12-inch microfiber cleaning cloths, ultra bright LED work light, or a 100-pack of 8-inch zip ties, black or white. Don't discriminate. January 9th, Friday, so this weekend to the 11th with any purchase. Valid in store, limit 1 coupon per customer per day, so on and so forth. So we love our free gifts. PSA, make sure you're, actually in this case, you don't have to be ITC. In this case, you're getting a free gift if you're anybody. So this is Harbor Freight looking out for every Harbro. So free gift. Start off with the Grants microfiber cleaning cloths, and this is absolute must. These are great towels, HARBRO approved. Wipe away dirt, grime, and more with these handy cleaning cloths. What other kind of description do you need? Look at that little back and forth action. Impressive. $3.99. What a weird shirt with a hole. $4 value. Solid get. Then we have the underrated 144 lumen ultra bright portable LED work flashlight. Yes, it's only $1.80. Yes, it's portable LED work light. Flashlight runs for 48 hours. Look how they're using it under the hood. Is it magnetic? Magnetic base. 360 swivel. Who needs an icon light? 48 hours easy on off switch when you have $1.79. Look at that on off button. Ultra bright. Look at on off. I mean on off on. And it has a hook for $1.80. This is as good as it gets at Harbor Freight. If you disagree, let me know in the comments. And if you're not getting either of those, or maybe you're getting both, the Storehouse 8-inch white cable ties, 100-pack, super solid get, available in white or black, $2.49 value. So that's the weekend deal. Get some towels, get some lights. This is convenient. There's very few lights that you can put inside your pocket, and free towels is a must. Again, just as a quick PSA, and of course, as we always suggest, the very nicely priced very nicely, a little bit above average, actually well above average, 7-inch carpenter's pencil, 69 cents, CH Hansen. If you need to buy anything, get a carpenter's pencil. You're going to use it around your garage or around your shop. If you don't go with the carpenter's pencil, go with the slightly higher price, but still going on through the 15th, is the 79-cent Harbor Freight bag, 55-pound, 19-gallon. Go shopping like a stud. Go grocery shopping at Costco with your Harbor Freight bag. You'll get eyeballs from the other Harbor Freight bros who are there, who will see you with your bag, who will see you with your hat, but we won't say anything because we're too scared to say anything. 79 cents, great deal. Or you go with the dollar days going on through the 14th. The HARBRO approved mini pick set for $1. Great pickup. Of course, the micro spring clamp set, great for your chips or just sealing some bags. Super glue is also great. Maybe some other items here in the dollar days. Some $5 chalks if you haven't picked them up, or the $4 painter's tool, 14 in 1. All HARBRO approved, or if you're a tarp bro and you haven't picked up your tarp. The Pittsburgh multi transfer pump was hugely approved by the HARBROs in the comments. $5. There is some options to get your free tools, your free items this weekend. Let me know which one you're going to get. And then, just briefly, we're going to look at the save big and get organized. It says now through January 11th, but I'm a little suspicious unless they haven't added everything to this, which Harbor Freight has been pulling. But these first four are after Christmas sale. We've already gone through these. These are part of the instant savings. So these are nothing new. Just a reminder that they're there. And then they've picked a few of the super coupons. Oh, well, quick correction. These instant savings after Christmas sales all go through the 15th. So I'm not sure what they're saying now through January 11th. Save up to 50% on select storage. Nothing here is 50%, but we'll keep looking. Super coupons, we know of these. These are all expiring the 19th. A couple of US general alerts, but those are part of the super coupon batch for January, which we've seen. Still no 50% here. And then the usual other super coupons, all below 50%. So maybe they're going to update this sale with something I'm not seeing. All the items in the picture are not 50% off. Save up to 50% on select storage. So maybe they're going to update this, but just if you're seeing this on the website, it doesn't look like it's a new sale, but maybe you can convince them to give you 50% off on one of these. Maybe they meant $50 off. Anyways, that's our weekend deal. Let me know which one you're going to get, or if you're going to get them all. Start preparing for your weekend pickups. No electronic flyer yet for our parking lot sale, but that's starting January 12th for ITC. Great discounts. We've done a video on the Icon, the Maddox, the Welders. Low popularity, but probably one of the better deals is the 40% off all paintbrushes, rollers, and drop cloths, especially if you're about to do some painting. But I've reviewed these before, and there is some great discounts to be had. But still, no flyer. Hopefully there is soon, and then we'll review the pages that they've added on. But I'll leave it at that. Free gift weekend, cloths light, zip ties, storage deal that's just the same as what we've been seeing. Not sure about the 50%, but we'll look into it. And new purple storage. I'll leave it at that. Happy harbor freighting, happy shopping, good luck out there. Please consider liking and or subscribing, and as soon as I have some more deals, I will send them your way.